All right, everybody, we have a motor that the chain has come off of because it was struggling too hard to pick up the door because it locked manually when someone tried to use the opener. So if you're gonna attach an opener, take these off or reverse them. So we're gonna get into fixing this. First, I'm just gonna restring the motor, and then we are going to get the door fixed. Alright guys, so we're still up here in Folsom and we've got that door that we need to reinforce. We could use an ORB bracket, but I don't believe that's going to solve our problem. So we are going to come here and cut a strut to go on here. Alright guys, let's install our strut.